Here I have Xiaomi 12S Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button D&D, which stands for Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on this button once, you can switch this mode by holding your finger on it. You can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for this mode based on your time. You can select on which days it will repeat. You can select start time, end time. You can also enable this mode automatically when device is locked. You can notify about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. You can notify about repeated calls, which works the way that the phone rings or vibrates while receiving the second call from the same contact within 15 minutes. Could be useful, I guess. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.